Spot Bakes a Cake by Eric Hill. It's your dad's birthday on Friday, Spot. Let's bake a cake. We have to go shopping. I need some cheese. Can you find the chocolate, Spot? Dad loves chocolate cake. Now we can make the cake. We've already started. Spot, that's enough. The cake is in the oven. Help me clean up, Spot. I am helping. Can I decorate the cake yet, Mom? It's ready now. Go easy on the icing, Spot. This is the best part. This will be a nice surprise for your dad, Spot. I can't wait. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, Sam. Did you make the cake, Spot? It's delicious. Thanks, Dad. Mom helped a little. The end.